Behind the needle here, I have a slightly wavy border. And the way that I deal with that is I stitch from close to the front of the frame and go back so that I'm not pulling all the fabric down if I were coming the opposite direction. This way I'm able to kind of push the ripples into this and also control tension by pressing down in the front. I'll show you how. My hand is in front of this needle and pulling down a little bit to help ease in that fullness. Give you a look. And that looks nice and flat. The same idea goes for a bottom or top border. Well, you'll want to push down on the fabric in the back to help ease in any fullness in the front. You don't want the machine foot pushing all of that so you end up with a big wrinkle over on the side.